Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the step-by-step tutorial to use Zoho Mail as a beginner. Zoho Mail is an email hosting service. It offers a user-friendly interface for efficient email management, provides custom domain-based email addresses for businesses, and also features advanced collaboration tools like calendars, tasks, and notes. It offers secure and ad-free email communications, supports seamless integration with other Zoho productivity and other premium business applications. It provides robust spam filtering and security features, allows easy migration from other email services, and many more. You can also use it on your mobile apps for on the go email access. So, how you can start this? Just click on sign up for free, or you can go with the sign in options from over here. I'm going with the Google also. Once you log into your account, you will end up over here. Here you can see there are some premium plans also available over here. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you a 15-day trial, and obviously this will not require any credit card, so you can go ahead and try it out. Also, if you want to try it out, first of all. So I'm going with this one, and let's wait for a while. And this is the first step which you need to do. You can see that you can use a domain you already own or purchase a new domain. You choose your preference to continue your account setup. So right now I'm going to choose and use my own existing domain with this one, and I'm going to click on add now right now, and this is where I'm going to enter my existing domain, provide your organization name and industry type. So as you can see, I have added my domain over here, which is existing one, and you need to provide the organization name. I have bought this domain from GoDaddy, so I'm going to write that over here, and which industry you belong to. So I'm going to write education and click on add now. Once you click on add now, you need to wait for a while, like few seconds, and this is how it looks like. Congratulations, your domain learnwithpros.com added successfully. Now let's proceed to domain verification. They will ask to for domain verification. As you all know, whenever you paste somewhere your domain, they will ask for login details and obviously confirmation. So how you are going to do that? You just need to click on this login to my DNS, or you can go ahead and do this by manually, but for this tutorial I'm just going to click on login to my DNS, and this will pop up and you will see that the connection between Zoho and GoDaddy. What you are going to do, make sure to log into your GoDaddy account, otherwise this will not show up. They will ask for you to log in, by the way. So I have already logged in, so as you can see over here, so that's why it's showing up like that. So I'm going to open this up and click on connect. Once you click on connect, you will see that success. You have successfully done that. Go back and you can see that verifying. Let's wait for a few seconds and let's see what would happen. So this is where you are going to add your email address for your own Zoho mail after the ownership verified from your domain. So I'm going to write only admin and at learnwithpros.com. This is what I am going to create right now. If I click on create, let's wait for a while. After that, you will end up over here. Here you can see we can add people from over here. Just click on add. You can add the name, username, and even the password for dedicated person, and you can go back and create invites also. If you want to do that, you can import Zoho mail users and you can filterize them if you want. By the way, you can import through cloud services as well and CSV files too. So this is very easy in my opinion. You can do that, but I'm going to go to the third step, which is going to be setup groups. If you click on at the bottom setup groups, you will end up over here. You can create your own groups. Like you can see over here, Zoho mail groups helps organization users coordinate and communicate better. So this is very simple, like WhatsApp group. So you are going to create a group on email. So this is how it looks like. After that, you can go with the DNS mapping. If you want, you can go ahead and log into your DNS again. So what happens, that window will pop up again and you are going to connect your any domain provider which you are using. Right now I have GoDaddy, that's why I always open up GoDaddy, and they are going to log into my GoDaddy account and do automatic DNS mapping. So this is very easy. You just need to log into your account, and after that we have email migration. Let's say you have already using somewhere your email like this one. Right now we are using Zoho mail. So you, let's say you were using something different, right? So obviously you can import or migrate all those email over here. You can start the data migration just by clicking on this option. Enter the migration name and protocol name, like Microsoft 365 Google Workspace if you are using that. or Microsoft Exchange. So you can go ahead and select those also. And after that, you can migrate all those emails over here as well. We have Go to Mobile. So this is what Go to Mobile looks like. So this is all for mobile. Once you install your application to your mobile, you can see that you can also install that from over here. These are some things which you need to configure to your mobile application. They will ask for these things like incoming servers, port, required SSL, username. So these are very important. Make sure not to show this to anyone, and you are going to hide this. Obviously I'm going to blur this all out, so make sure to go ahead and use it on your mobile device if you are using an application from Zoho Mail. After that, we have the last option, which is you're all set. And after that, you can check out your inbox or go to your admin console if you want. So if I click on admin console, let's wait for a while, and this is how it looks like. This is what my Zoho Mail looks like. As a beginner, I hope you understand every single thing, what is going on, what were going on. And on the left side of the menu, you will have organization, domains, how many domains you have added. You will see that over here. And we have users, groups, data migration, mail settings, security compliance, and other things also. By the way, if you want to create a group again and you think that you have missed out the group opportunity, that's not the case. On the left side of the menu, you will find groups also available over here. If you click on that, you will see that this option is also available. And most of the things which we were doing, those were the major things which you need to do on Zoho Mail. After that, these are some extra features they are providing you like mail settings. So you can add policies if you want. You can add email instructions if you restrictions if you have that. And we have account restrictions, access restrictions. So a lot of stuff which you are going to play around on. And maybe these are some extra features they have provided you once you log into your admin console. This is how it all looks like. We have some subscriptions also available over here. Right now, obviously, we are using 15 days trial, and you can see that they are allowing you to use every single thing and try it out by yourself. Here you can see that these are some premium plans for yearly, and we have Mail Lite, which is going to be around $2 for 10 GB per user, and you view also the features what they are providing right now. Right now we were using this one for $4 one, and this is Mail Premium, by the way. And you can see that these are the things which we are using right now. And other than that, you can see that we have Zoho Meetings, Zoho Connect, unlimited groups you can create it. We have mobile application, Android applications also. We have team folders, 1 GB file upload limit. You can see there's a lot of stuff for different plans also available over here. It depends on your organization what you are working on and how many big your organization is. So go for the specific one also. By the way, you can go with the free trial for this one and also for this one. So make sure to go ahead and select respective one which you are going to use for your own purpose. And the last thing which I'm going to show you over here, which is obviously Zoho Mail. We have created an address, right? So you can see that if I search for mail.zoho.com, you will end up over here, and this is how mail looks like. Here you can see this is the welcome to Zoho Mail. This is how it looks like. On the left side is very similar to any other email platform out there. We have calendars, tasks, you can also set that. We have notes, contacts, bookmarks, and resources. And as much as people you want for your own, like the Zoho Mail, they can also look at those also. We have at the profile at the top right corner, you can see over here, and this is what we have created for our purpose, right? So that's it. This is all you need to know. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to use Zoho Mail as a step-by-step tutorial for a beginner. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.